Nós aqui na Universidad di Aruba caminhamos com a Factultad de Lei, abin com onderzoeksavond, den qual nanta purba di haya iniciativa de público presente, pero também é nan kuta vognang e mirando ku nanga série informar para haci interview em inglês, nós também continuar com o interview em inglês.
Well, as you may know, at the law faculty we teach law, but another important aspect of our work is doing research. There's a lot of things changing currently within society. Think of all the new kinds of AI developments, but also think of your phone with facial recognition. These may raise all kinds of questions where it comes to, for example, privacy rights, right? But we also see many societal problems within the community, like illegal dumping of waste, domestic violence, the rising rates of obesity within the youth. And we do research so that we don't only understand what is causing these issues within society, but also so that we can look at solutions to solve these issues. And so that's why doing research within our university and specifically faculty is very important. And specifically for tonight?
So tonight we present our new research program. And we have basically two goals during the night. So first we want to inform the public about our research program because we have a bit of a new approach in this. We want to involve the community and different stakeholders a bit more when we are carrying out scientific research, and thus by giving this presentation today we hope to inform citizens, public servants, civil society organizations about what we want to do in the upcoming years, so that they know when to reach out for us if they have any questions about legal research, but also that they know when they have a specific research question that they are able to contact us. So if you have a specific research assignment, for example, you can inquire about one of our faculty members actually carrying out the research. The second goal of the night is gathering already relevant research ideas with different stakeholders during workshops we hold later on during the evening.
The research program, in brief, you can also find it on our website, is about fundamental rights and human rights. That's one of the key themes. The second key theme is good governance. And the third key theme, as you may also know after the apologies of the king and later the prime minister that relate to the slavery past within the kingdom, is of course the colonial and slavery past of Aruba and the kingdom and its current legacy within current laws and institutions.
Well, un tópico hopi interessante naturalmente il research program di Universidad. Mi quero dar uma danki na Benedicta Deogratias e Hannah Meijer. Mi nome é Max Angico, 24 horas, nós te promete notícia. Danke.